Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And it is well into 2022. We really are now into 2022. So we at Grange, we always rise. We know what we're about at Grange. We have a great caring attitude. That's the G. We really try our best. That's the R. We're always learning. When we make mistakes, that is not the end of the world. In fact, when we make mistakes, we use our mistakes to do what? To learn from them. So we're always learning, especially when we make mistakes. And what we're going for, we don't worry about somebody else doing better than me or me doing better than somebody else. We go for our personal best. We go for improvement and progress, always trying to improve ourselves and make progress for ourselves. We use our education, that's the E of Grange, to help us to make good choices as we go along in life. And we didn't forget the N. We never, ever give up because we are CC learners. And that's what we are about at Grange. We know that our true strength is deep inside us when we are the best that we can be. We live with our character strength and we give confidence to ourselves. It doesn't matter what anybody else is telling us, or even if there's a inner critic voice in your head telling you, I'm rubbish, we do not listen to that. We put our hand on our heart and give ourselves a confidence boost and say, for myself, I want my best life. I will be my best and I'm going to be my best and I'm confident. I believe in myself. That's a confidence. And then we look around at the world around us. We say, we want to make the world a better place. Consideration through our great and kind action. So yes, I'm Grange people of power, giving us hope. To all the Grange parents and carers who support the Grange CC way, all the Grange adults, and this week I put for their great teamwork. I love the way the adults of Grange do teamwork to help our children of Grange learn and make loads of progress. Sometimes I see as head teacher, and I'm talking to one member of staff at Grange about how can we help a child to do even better, and then another member of staff say, well, I noticed that. And we team up together, and all the children of Grange do so well because the adults do teamwork and they work together to help everybody. Student council, wow, you prepared so professionally on Thursday for the superhero visit next week, Thursday. And we're going to record it also. Hopefully we'll show everybody that visit. But student council, amazing. You give us such hope. Exceptional class feedback. We'll come back to that. And Sammy and Amy, for your positive feedback about your learning and progress, because I was asking you do you know how well you're doing? Do you know what could help you to make progress? And how do you know how well you're doing? And your answers were just so brilliant. Your answers help me to make our school a better place by working with our teachers and educators. There was some great Holmes class feedback as well from the assembly from last week, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. And all of our Grange children, we keep on getting new children, which we love at Grange. We want new children and more children. And when new children and more children come, children of Grange, you make them feel so safe and so happy. And that is just wonderful. You are brilliant, Grange children. Really, there's the power wiggle for all these people. And let's go on to our character strength focus for today. Now, before I do that, I'm just going to go through some Ennis and Holmes. You gave the most amazing feedback. And in Holmes' class, I just wanted to read what Joseph wrote about the power that we discussed in last week's assembly, and that was about power of family. And you wrote, Joseph, Grange is like a family because we are all friendly and we are a happy community. Brilliant. And then I loved Shamer's one as well. Shamer, you wrote, what makes Grange a family is because we are all equal. And I love that because it means every child at Grange, every person at Grange is treated with equal worth and dignity, with equal value. That is brilliant. And then Maria, I liked what you wrote as well. I'm just trying to find where Maria's one is. Where is Maria's one? I know it was a great one, and I'm just trying to find it. I said, is Grange as a family because we respect and work with each other as brothers and sisters. I love that one. Right, and in Ennis, there were so many good ones. It was really hard to choose. I'm just going to give a shout out to Leland, Ramanula, Anna Maria, Zohal, Nahara, Khalif, Adna, Kaylin, and Kamani. I wanted to read what Leland wrote. Grange makes me feel like it is my family because we're kind and we are loved and we are great. And that is absolutely brilliant, Leland. And I loved what Khalif also wrote. That he said, we have all different types of children, but we are all one. We're all friends, and the teachers are like our mums and dads because they care for us, which was absolutely brilliant. And then I think Adna, let me see if I can find Adna's one as well. Adna wrote, family is not about blood or color, but it is about love and caring. And Grange is loving and caring. Absolutely amazing. Well done, everybody. Oh, here's one from Kamani. Kamani wrote, blood is not what matters. It's about love. And that is just the most brilliant feedback. So today we are talking about listening. And actually what I've just done is listen to your feedback. The superpower of listening. And we know at Grange that we do CC walking, which is about how we are going to walk in life with our confidence and consideration. We do star sitting. We sit with confidence and consideration. We know that we're always aiming to be our best, and nobody can live our best life for us. Nobody can be our best for us. We have to be our very best. So let's just talk about listening, because in this amazing book that I was reading, they had some amazing facts about listening. And what they said is that when we think about listening, the truth of the matter is that we spend about 80% of our time listening while we're communicating, and we spend about 80% of our waking time communicating, which is amazing. So the important thing to realize is so much of our life is about listening. Now, people say listen, or people say do good listening, but do we know what good listening looks like, or what it actually means? So I'm going to say, let's think about how we can do really good listening. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to listen with confidence, and we are going to listen with consideration. Listening with confidence, what does that mean? So the thing is, listening is not only with your ears. You're watching people, you're feeling. When you're listening, you're really thinking, am I safe? That's the first thing that's important. And when you listen with confidence, you make sure that you are safe. We all had the pants lesson. We know that no means no, and privates are privates. Sometimes when people try to tell you to do things that are wrong, when you're listening, you listen and you think, right, what this person is communicating to me is not keeping me safe. I will find a way to keep myself safe. I'll talk to a trusted adult. I'll find a way to calm myself. That is what is important, listening with confidence. Now, listening with consideration is when I say to myself, I'm really going to focus on what my teacher's telling me. I'm really going to think about what my teacher wants me to think about. You know, like when we said star sitting. My mind is going to be opened. I'm focused because I want to learn and I want to grow. That could be your teacher. If a friend is talking to you, I'm really going to listen to my friend so that I know what they're trying to tell me, what they're trying to talk to me about. So that is what good listening is all about. Be confident for myself that when I'm listening to keep myself safe and to make good choices for myself. And I'm listening to learn and make progress and get better and better in the way that I work with other people. That's CC listening. Listening to make good choices, listening to learn and make progress. Now, I have a big challenge, but children, this is a challenge for the adults. So I hope the adults are listening right now. Children, look to see everybody's listening. Right. Teachers and educators, there's going to be a challenge, and this is how it's going to work. Now, on class charts, just for this week, I've put a special listening class charts award. Now, it's not a ruby, it's not a sapphire, it's not a gold. It's a special one worth 8 points in one go for star listening, for people who are listening to make good choices, who are listening to learn and make progress. And the thing that I'm going to do is, for next assembly, I'm going to look through I'm going to look on the activity of class charts. I'm going to look to see Which teachers and educators managed to really spot children doing good listening and gave Class Charts Listening Awards? So we're going to see teachers and educators who are listening. We're going to see children who are listening, because if the teachers and educators spot the children who are doing good listening and say, that's what good listening looks like, CC, Class Charts Point, that's amazing. Then we all feel great and we all get better at listening. So that's your challenge, everybody. That is your challenge. I want to see how many of these listening star student Class Charts points we can get in this week. Is everybody listening? Children, adults, head teacher, Grange people, are we all listening? This is so. Now, just while you pause and think about that challenge, here's your feedback forum. This is what I would like for feedback. Ennis and Holmes, shout out to you. You are magnificent. Matisse, Ms. Fernandez is back. I'm looking forward to your feedback. And obviously everybody. But what does good listening look like? What is really good listening? What actually is it? Remember what I've said now. Listening with confidence to be safe, to make good choices. Listening with consideration, to learn, to make progress, to work really, really well with people. Looking forward to your feedback, but even more importantly, I'm looking forward to the challenge to see how many star listening Class Charts points we get. That's not easy. I'm wondering how many we'll get. So gold is Nahara and Adna. Brilliant. Class champions are Justina, Arena, Zain, Aya, Abbas, all in Matisse, Zayan in Klee, Shahir in Klee, Saba in Klee, Gloria in Klee. Proud of you, Gloria, well done. Amar Beckham, Karu Beckham, Sarah DJ Beckham, Talha Beckham, nice to see you there, Talha, Nahara Ennis, Khalif Ennis, Sami Ennis, Ramanullah Ennis, Ennis, you were just fantastic. Zakira Ennis, nice to see you there, Semina Ennis, Adna Ennis, Anna Maria Ennis, proud of you. Ishan Holmes, Yasmin Holmes, Maria V. Holmes. Right, which means we got 11,526 CC points. What does that mean for us? We'll see in a moment. Classy classes, Matisse class, you're back, 558 points. Holmes class, keeping strong. You did so brilliantly last term. But the classy class, superhero, round of applause for all of them. NS class, nearly 2,000 points. Amazing NS class. That's absolutely brilliant. So we set ourselves a ridiculously crazy, ambitious, aspirational target. 500,000 points by the end of spring. So I'm doing it differently this time. I'm just saying how many do we need so we can run down. So we need now 217,845 CC points by the end of the spring term. Will we get there? Well, we're powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, we're good listeners, and I'm looking out for that Teacher Educator Team Challenge for Listening Awards. We're going to make it. Oh, Guinness World Records went to Holmes for classy class. We've had the reindeer, we've had Hamilton, we've had the hamsters join us. Let's give ourselves a CC salute. Confidence, listening with confidence. Consideration, listening with consideration for everybody to learn, to progress, to make our school and our world a better place. Let's be great, let's be Grange. I'm really looking forward to seeing if I get star listeners on Class Charts. Live your life with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the learning ahead. Be great, safe, confident listeners. Great, considerate listeners. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be